Hi guys, these fruit mold videos are absolutely exploding across social media right now, and they're surprisingly easy to create. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can make your own viral style videos with ease. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Create the prompts. To begin, copy the prompt I provided in the video description and paste it directly into the ChatGPT dialog, then hit Enter. After that, ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 different creative ideas for you. Simply pick the idea you like best. Once you've selected one, GPT will instantly provide the text to image and image to video prompt. These prompts will be used in the next stages of the workflow. Step 2. Generate the images. For this step, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. First, go to Media, AI, Image, choose Image Generator. You'll notice there are multiple AI models available. Personally, I recommend using the Nano Banana 2 model. Next, take the text-to-image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Then, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and click the Generate. Step 3. Generate the video. Go to AI Video, Image to Video. Here, select the Happy Horse model, then upload the image you previously created in Edimakor. After that, copy the image to video prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Finally, click Generate. Seconds later, your fruit mold video will be completed. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.